Understanding Proof of Discharge, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might come across in legal, medical, or financial contexts: proof of discharge. Understanding this phrase is crucial, as it can significantly impact how you interpret documents or situations in these fields. Let's break it down together. Proof of discharge refers to documentary evidence that an obligation, such as a debt, duty, or responsibility, has been fully satisfied or completed. It's like a receipt that says, "This has been taken care of." For example, in a legal context, it could be a document that proves a debt has been paid off. In a medical setting, it might be a form indicating a patient has been officially released from a hospital. Legal context. In legal matters, proof of discharge can refer to documents showing that a legal judgment has been satisfied, a bankruptcy proceeding has been concluded, or a debt has been paid. This is vital for clearing someone's legal and financial history. Financial context. In finance, this phrase often comes up when loans or debts are involved. A proof of discharge certificate from a lender indicates that the borrower has paid back what they owed in full, releasing them from their debt obligation. Medical context. In healthcare, proof of discharge might be used when a patient leaves a hospital. It ensures that the patient has received the necessary care and is officially released, outlining any follow-up care or medications needed. Understanding and obtaining proof of discharge is crucial because it protects your rights. It serves as evidence that you have fulfilled your obligations. Prevents future disputes. It can be used to prove that a debt or duty has been completed if questioned later. Affects your credit score. In financial contexts, it can impact your ability to borrow money in the future. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of the phrase, proof of discharge. Whether you're dealing with legal documents, managing financial obligations, or navigating healthcare, understanding this term can help you protect your rights and responsibilities. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.